Isa ka ba sa mga nahihirapan mag-ipon? O di kaya nahihirapan kang magbayad ng utang mo? Don't worry guys, kasi meron akong system na gusto kong i-try ninyo, and this is an interactive activity para maging committed ka sa pagbayad ng utang mo o di kaya makapag-ipon. Ito ay pinadali at mas pinasimplify ko na process. Gamit ang method savings roadmap system na tinatawag ko, maiengganyo ka na mag-ipon.
If you are someone who is struggling with your own personal finances, with your budgeting, then you are in the right channel. Hi, my name is Val. I am 31 years old. I am living in the Philippines, working full-time, and a mother of 2 kids. In this channel, I am sharing my own personal journey with the budgeting using my real numbers. I'm also using my own budget planner that I created and a system of consistently check-ins to create a plan that will really inspire you to achieve your financial goals. Consider subscribing if you want to learn more.
So, hindi na ako magpapatumpik-tumpik pa. I'll start with step number 1. So, step number 1 guys is mag-focus ng isang saving goal o di kaya isang utang goal. So, let's say for example, you are saving for something. Ano ba yung mga pinaka nahihirapan ka mag-ipon? So, let's say nahihirapan ka mag-ipon ng emergency fund. Kahit alam mong importante siya, kahit alam mong talagang ang emergency fund is emergency at kailangan kang magtabi, pero hindi mo talaga siya kayang gawin. So, yun muna yung ifo-focus mo. So, let me just explain by the way first what is in my savings roadmap. Makikita niyo, tinatawag ko siyang 6-month plan kasi gagawin natin yung saving goal mo or yung debt, utang, free goal mo for the next 6 months. Ito kasi yung nangyayari guys. Yung nangyayari, yung iba, isang taon yung ginagawa nila. So, yung isang taon, parang ang haba. Ang haba ng gagawin mo. Mahihirapan kang maging, ay, siguro matagal pa naman yung 12 month, matagal pa naman yung December. I still have time. Yun yung mga parang nadadivert yung attention mo na hindi ka makakommit na mag-ipon kasi malayo pa. Malayo. 'Di ba? Isang taon yun guys. So yung ginagawa ko is pinaplanuhan ko siya pinaka maikli 3 month, pinaka mahaba 6 month before I move to a longer saving. So kapag na-achieve ko yung 3 month or na-achieve ko yung 6 month, move naman ako to achieve it for the 8 month. Then after the 8 month, kapag na-achieve ko naman yon, move naman ako for the 12 month. 'Di ba? So, i-explain ko kung bakit ko siya tinatawag na roadmap. Roadmap kasi gagawa tayo dito ng mapa. So, nakikita niyo guys, 6 boxes ito. Yan. Kasi, yung box na yan, that's gonna be your month. So, let's say nag-start ka from the January. Actually, it's a blank. So, you don't need to focus on starting the saving goal on the January. Even if within the month ka, you can still be able to use this template. This one, kaya mo naman siyang kopyahin guys, is very simple and very simple na printed ready template guys na pwede mo namang kopyahin if you don't want to spend money. This one guys, it's actually available in my digital product business where it's a ready template that you only have to print out. For only 50 pesos, meron ka ng saving goal roadmap and also debt-free roadmap guys. 50 pesos lang. When you avail this, you already have 2 copy of the ready template. Now, by buying this, you are actually supporting me as a content creator to create more of this kind of contents. I understand if you want to support me by just liking and sharing and subscribing. I would also appreciate that kasi hindi naman talaga lahat gusto pang mag-spend ng another 50 pesos for the printed. You can always copy this template. You can actually do this in your notebook. But again, if you wanted to be like more into, I would suggest na meron kang ready template to, appetize your eyes for what you are seeing, diba? So, para maka-avail ng 50 pesos na product na to guys, use the coupon code na nasa screen or di kaya nasa ibaba when you do the checkout para yung 100 pesos guys, magiging 50 pesos na lang siya for you. Okay, so yun na nga. Step number 1, already focus on your saving goal. What we would say for your saving goal, ganito yan. So I'll start with the saving goal. What is the saving goal? That's gonna be emergency fund. Now the step 2 is alamin ang budget kung magkano ang kaya mong ilaan for that savings goal. As well as with your utang goal, no? So let's say for example, in my budget planner, if you remember, meron na akong extra na 1K because hindi ko na na-enroll o hindi ko na pina-enroll ulit yung daughter ko to the tutoring na service na pinag-avail ko. During my budget, guys, maybe I will just screenshot how it looks like with my budget. I know na meron akong extra na 1K. So for the extra 1K, alam ko na yung 1K na yun wala pang budget or wala akong paglalaanan na saan kong bibilhin. So I'll put here 1,000. Now if you would say you're gonna be doing it for the next 3 months, 1, 2, 3. And if you're gonna continue doing this for the next 6 months, 1, 2, 3. Magkano nga ba yung goal ko dito? So, on this part, ilalagay mo lang kung magkano yung goal mo. Let's be realistic here. Kasi 1K lang naman. 1K yung ilalaan natin. So, yung goal ko, I would say, then, for the goal na 6K, guys, and up until when ito? So, let's say, nag-start ka around June. So, yung completion date mo dyan, December. So, let's say naman nag-start ka January, yung completion date mo June. So, let's say for example, kasi nasa November na tayo. Let's say for example, nag-start ka ng saving for this on December. So, yung completion mo then is May 2025. So, ilalagay lang natin dito. Yan yung goal date natin for the 6,000. Now, I'm saying kung bakit nagiging roadmap siya, it's because if makikita ninyo merong start here. So, nagiging interactive siya because you're gonna be doing your roadmap here. I will be putting some arrow, meaning I'm gonna be starting here. And I'm gonna divide the box into 2. And I will be put 1,000 for the goal. Yes, for the goal date, for the goal amount. Kapag dumating tayo sa panahon or kapag nandito na tayo sa, lagay na natin na kapag laan ako ng 1,000, let's say on January 30th, ilalagay ko dito. So, nakapaglaan ako ng 1,000 dito. So, I will put here 1,000 and the date, January. So, makikita mo dyan, okay, January, achieve, nakapaglaan ako ng 1,000. Next month naman, December pala no, kasi May tayo, May pala yung natin due date. So, lagyan natin December. So, parang na-feel mo na, okay, na-achieve ko na ito. Nakapaglaan ako ng 1,000 for the December 30th. Let me do it again on the next month. So, by the end of the month na naman ng January, lagyan mo naman siya dito ng arrow. So, lagyan mo yan lang ng roadmap, guys. So, divide mo na naman siya ng 2. Magkano yung goal mo dito? 1,000 na naman. Pero by the end of January 30, nakapaglaan ka ng 1,000. Diba? So, ganun din. Continue mo lang gawin to. Lagay mo dyan na roadmap na naman going to the next month, which is the February. So, let's say for example, guys, hindi mo siya ginagawang monthly. Ginagawa mo siya bi-monthly. So, divide mo lang ng 2. Again, this is your goal, 1,000. Divide mo lang ito ng 2 here kasi gusto mo siyang bi-monthly. So, sabihin na natin na on February 15, nakapaglaan ako ng 500. Go! Lagay mo dyan 500. Feb 15. At least may date, diba? And then by the end of February, like, I don't know if 28, 29 ba tayo, but let's say for example, 28, up until 28 tayo sa February. So, let's say nakapaglaan ka na naman ng 500 there on Feb 30. So, there guys. So, kung kukwentahin mo siya for the 3 months, you see, for the 3 months, lagyan mo siya ng total. Nakapaglaan ka ng 3,000. Wow, it's an achievement, diba? Kasi sasabihin mo, hindi nga ako makapag-save ng 1,000 every month, pero nagawa ko siya for the last 3 months. And for the last 3 months, 3,000 na yung naipon ko. So still may ganyo kang mag-save naman or to continue this kasi nga na-achieve mo siya for the last 3 months, 'di ba? Naging consistent ka. So gawa ka na naman ng roadmap going to the 4th month. Gawa ka ng roadmap, guys. There. And same thing lang yung gagawin mo. If you wanted to do it bi-weekly, then go for it, 'di ba? Up until umabot ka sa end ng roadmap mo. There you go. So, makikita ninyo guys, nakapag-save ka na ng 6,000. By looking at your savings roadmap, talagang maiengganyo kang tumitig, manood, or makita yung mga numbers na yan. Pagkatapos, ilagay mo lang yung completed date. So, May 30. There you go. Completed siya. 'Di ba? So, dito naman sa goal, yan. There. So, how does it felt, guys, if ito yung nakikita mo na savings roadmap for the next 6-month plan na nung una nahihirapan ka but now you can see some progress? Di ba maganda siyang tignan? Yung feeling na, wow, I can do it pala. Why I didn't do it is because you just need to have the right system or the right plan on how you could do the savings, guys. Now, that's for the savings roadmap. It will actually still the same process about being a debt-free. So, this is my debt-free roadmap. Still gonna be a 6-month plan. So, if yun nga, meron tayong iba dyan na may mga utang daw. So, let's say for example, meron kang utang. I don't know what kind of utang, credit card ba? So, let's say for example, meron kang ano bang pinakamagandang example dito? Let's say for example lang, may utang ka sa isang tao. Yung utang mo is like 8K. Yung utang mo sa friend mo. Pero yung gagawin mo lang naman is again, let's say for example, meron ka ngang extra na 1K to your budget. But if you can rebudget para ma-pay off mo yung 8K as soon as possible, that would be great. Pero kung yung kaya mo lang naman talaga every month is 1K. So, unang gagawin mo dyan is kausapin mo yung friend mo na all I can do is to, monthly you 1K. Then, you're gonna be putting your goal. So, let's say, for example, November 30, mag-start ka ng maghulugan sa kanya. So, November 30 for the 6th month, December, January, February, March, April. So, yung goal mo dito, it's gonna be April. Let me pause a moment, guys, and before we continue for our video for today, I just wanted to let you know that I'm offering my financial journey template planner for free. So this is going to be a free download for you guys. All you have to do is just click down the link below where you can add your name, your email address, where I can send this over for you. This is totally for free. I'm giving it out for you guys as a thank you for supporting my channel. The budget planner is the same planner that I'm using in all of my videos, guys. So this one is very helpful to use since it's very helpful for me. So again, thank you, and let's dive in back to the video. Kung ang agreement mo naman is kaya mo siyang hulugan on a quincenas, then you're gonna be applying the yung method na ginawa ko kanina guys, na dalawahin mo, i-bi-weekly mo. So yung goal mo in 1 month is 'di ba 1,000. Pero para hindi siya masyadong mabigat, gawin mo siyang pangdalawahan, 500, 'di ba? Ganon. So, on the 15th, November 30, lagyan natin November 30, nakapaghulog ka. And then, December 15, nakapaghulog ka. Then, yan, start here for the goal. Then, the next thing, fast forward ko lang to guys ha, pero ganito talaga yung gagawin mo. So, around February, guys, mag-evaluate na kayo. Kasi nasa 3 months na kayo diba? So, evaluate mo dyan, meron na ka ng 3,000. Pero, ilalagay mo dito sa ibaba kung magkano na lang yung remaining balance. So, 8,000 minus 3,000. So, meron ka ng 5,000 na balance. So, ito yung ilalagay mo dyan. Kaya para makita mo ba na, ay, okay, 5,000 na lang yung balance ko sa friend ko, which is good, diba? So, gawa ka na naman ng another roadmap for the next 3 months. So, yeah. continue lang. Just continue doing this every month. And mas maganda talaga na bi-weekly mo siyang gawin. Kasi every week, makikita mo talaga yung progress. Maingganyo kang gawin ito every payday. So, yun, natapos mo na yung again 6 months. So, meron ka na dyang 6,000 guys, over 8,000. So, kung makita mo, yung balance mo na lang dito is 2,000, di ba? So, dyan, maingganyo ka ng talagang siguro, if meron kang extra, itodo mo na. Like, bayaran mo na siya 2K. But if along the road, guys, so let's say along the road, you would say may extra ka during the February na pay. And if you wanted to like 1,000, tapos 1,000 naman sa March 1, then you can also do that. Para mas mabilisan mong ma-pay off yung utang mo mismo dito sa ano ba tong mga naplanuhan mong monthly. Kasi every time na nakikita mo siya na merong progress, every time nakikita mo siya, okay, nakapaghulog pala ako ng 500, nakaya ko palang bayaran. Kasi, you know, you have to start small. I would advise start small. Kasi the moment kasi nakapagpinulto siya at the beginning, parang, nakakatamad namang magbayad and I can actually buy something from this amount. So, nawawala na yung commitment mo to pay your friend, diba? And nawawala na din yung trust ng friend mo pag ginawa mo yan. So, better yet, you do this. Start small, 500, 500. Do it bi-weekly. But if you have an extra, that if you wanted to pay off as soon as possible, then put a chunk of money to pay off your friend. That's how you're gonna be doing this. And on April 2025, yun yung goal natin for the 8K. Kung na-achieve, then that's good. Kung hindi na-achieve, well, continue mo naman for the next 6 months. So, ganun lang siya kadali, guys. Ganun lang kadali. Ganito ka-simple yung system ko on how you can be committed, on how you can really do it, and be consistent with your savings goal by using my savings roadmap plan. So, tinatawag ko siyang roadmap. Pero parang nagda-drive ka lang, guys, on your own car. So, it will depend on you if you want to speed up or if you want to slow down. Depende yan sa facing mo. But, again, wag mong agad-agarin. Ano bang taghalog nun? Like, wag mong i-overwhelm yung self mo. If you wanted to do it slowly, go for it kung saan ka komportable. But if you want to do it speeding up, pang mabilisan, again, kung komportable ka dyan, go for it. The goal is to have a progress in paying off your utang and also have a progress with your savings. So, yun yung goal natin on this savings roadmap 6-month plan. So, I think that's it, guys. I hope na nakakuha kayo ng pang simpleng way to, have this kind of commitment with your budget and personal finance. And if you want to avail this savings roadmap 6-month plan and that free roadmap 6-month plan, the link will be in the description box below. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so every time I will be uploading new videos about personal finance, budgeting, and savings, then you will get notified. As well as if you have any friends or family that might need this type of content, go ahead, guys, share this to your family and friends, and be sure to let them know to subscribe also kasi it will really help boost my channel. It will really help me reach out to more people like you and be inspired to create more of content like this. So, thank you so much for watching and I will see you on our next video. Bye, guys!